Here we have this 18 plate BMW 430i M Sport. Comes with the Glacier silver exterior paintwork, LED headlights with the kidney grills in black in the centre. We've also got the front splitter at the bottom, which makes this front end look nice and aggressive. We've got front and rear parking sensors with an in-car display, 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the M Sport suspension behind and the M Sport brakes and the calipers in blue, side skirts running across the bottom, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top. We've also got the black spoiler on the tailgate just there. As we make our way to the rear, you can see we've got the twin exit exhaust to the left hand side with the diffuser at the bottom and the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a closer look at the interior, you'll be able to see we've got the two seats in the back with the all black leather and Isofix points with the armrest in the centre. We've also got the same styling front seats at the front. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable with a memory function on the side just there. We've also got the electric windows on the door, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, my foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard we're free from any warning lights. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've got the volume button and the paddle shift on the right hand side. We've also got the satellite navigation on the screen in the centre with the DAB radio and the Bluetooth media, and we've also got the Bluetooth phone connectivity. If we just go into menu and onto connected drive, manage mobile devices, and across you can see that this vehicle does also have Apple CarPlay. As we make our way down, we've got the dual climate control, we've got the heated seats on both sides with a heated rear window. We've also got the cup holders just here and a space potentially to put your key on the top there. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. We've got the handbrake, the dial and the buttons for the screen as well. And we've also got the armrest here, and as you open it up we've got a space for a USB and some accessories in there as well. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse, and as you can see on screen we've got the sensors just there. Popping it back into neutral, making this vehicle safe. Now I'm just going to press the different drive mode buttons here, so it will come up on screen the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven, and it does also show up on the dashboard as well, and it does change the way that it is formatted as well. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.